How to say the months of the year in Greek. January, E-a-nou-a-re-os. January, E-a-nou-a-re-os. Now you try. February, Fe-vrou-a-re-os. February, Fe-vrou-a-re-os. Now you try. March, Martios. March, Martios. Now you try. April, Aprilios. April, Aprilios. Now you try. May, Mayos. May, Mayos. Now you try. June, Iunios. June, Iunios. Now you try. July, Iulios. July, Iulios. Now you try. August, Av-gou-stos. August, Av-gou-stos. Now you try. September, Se-ptem-vre-os. September, Se-ptem-vre-os. Now you try. October, O-ctom-bre-os. October, O-ctom-bre-os. Now you try. November, No-em-vree-os. November, No-em-vree-os. Now you try. December, The-kem-vre-os. December, The-kem-vre-os. Now you try. And that's how to say the months of the year in Greek.